Welcome back everyone to another technical analysis. Today we'll take a look at the Ripple coin. We are seeing a pretty decent pressure on this one of the major support areas, which most likely will result in a short position for us as soon as we get this breakdown here, with the risk and reward ratio being 1 to 2.5, something like this. So nothing too complicated, as we are seeing a pressure here in the 4-hour time frame. We had one strong candle pressure here, so we had strong downside movement with some kind of pretty long wick, I would call it. Let's go to the 5-minute time frame, and after forming this smaller break of structure here on the 5-minute time frame, we're seeing that there is yet another break of structure forming and the pressure is still continuing. Now this is showing that sellers are in dominance in this region, and most probably we are just going to see yet another stronger downside movement, maybe something similar to like one of those candles here. So what we are expecting as of now is to see, let's take the bar pattern, I think that's the one. Yep. So that's the movement that we should see. Going to extend it. First strong downside candle similar to this one or one of those, then some kind of like sideways channel movement, maybe a small retest, and then eventually a stronger downside movement to this 1.2, I think 1.2, yeah, dollar zone. Now this is the overall game plan for the XRP coin. If we zoom out, we see that there is still a lot of room to fall for us. So the current target, which is like 8% of market price movement, is more than realistic as of now. So I think there's nothing much more to talk about. Let's check quickly once again on the 5-minute time frame to mark down few zones here. So first of all, we had this break of structure zone. Going to mark it here, break of structure, and like that. So first zone, second zone, and now we're seeing still pretty decent pressure. If we would take the smaller time frame position, would go for immediate short position with stop loss somewhere in this region, and target would be around this area, so $1.3 or 1.31, somewhere in this region. But that's not the game plan that we are looking for, or overall the trading setup that we are looking for. We need to see that bigger downside movement, and as soon as we have this breakdown from here, the only movement or the only scenario that we are seeing is just plain movement to lower zones. Once again, movement here, maybe some kind of sideways movement then, and most probably we will be keeping falling if we touch this zone. Now, as we mentioned on the smaller time frames, the pattern looked something like this. We fell, we had a correction, breakdown from here, fell, we had some kind of correction, and fell. Now, on the 4-hour time frame, that's exactly what we are looking for. So we fell, some kind of movement, price will most likely go here, as we have had this breakdown already happening. So from here on, most probably we'll just keep on falling to the lower zones. So that's it for the XRP coin. All we have to do is just wait for the proper breakdown from this region. As soon as we get it, we're going to enter into a short position with the risk and reward ratio being 1 to 2 or 1 to 2.5, something in this region. So that's it for today. As always, thank you for watching this video, and I will catch you tomorrow.